So you've added a new disk to your machine, either a virtual disk or a physical disk. And for some reason, even though you connected it with your SATA cables, or even though you added an extra disk in the cloud on a virtual machine, the disk doesn't seem to show up when you go under this PC. So where is your disk? All you have to do is go into the control panel, go under Administrative Tools, Computer Management, go under Storage, under Disk Management, and in here, in the bottom section, you'll be able to see a new disk. Here it says Disk 2, and I can go ahead and hit Online, and here it will show us the amount of storage that's on this disk. So as you can see, there's 127 gigabytes, but 500 is reserved for the system that you won't be able to use. And now that's going to be sitting in the G drive. And you can change it if you want to. You can click Change Drive Letter and Paths, and you can change it to anywhere from A to Z. And now if we go back into our File Explorer, we'll see the T drive is there, and as well as our system reserved. I hope this video has been informative for you, and I'd like to thank you for watching.